Can y'all see the blue jay? Can y'all see it? There it goes. This is confirmation. This is confirmation from the Keys to the Kingdom video. She released a video like sometime last year saying that your sign will be blue jays. And then Diane Nives said the same thing. I believe she released that word on Thursday. And Friday morning when I was walking outside of my door to go to work, I saw a blue jay bird. And here it is, Tuesday afternoon, I just saw another blue jay. So it's confirmation from God. Communication is really about to come forth regarding my God-ordained spouse. I sanctify that and I consecrate it in the name of the precious blood of Jesus Christ, Yeshua Mashiach. No demonic spirit can hinder or sabotage the communication that is about to come forth. In the name of the precious blood of Jesus Christ, Yeshua Mashiach. Stay tuned for more testimonies. Be blessed. Shalom.